Right. Good morning, my dear students. Today, class 17, UC first year, some miscellaneous example. Example number 11. Example number 11. That is starter. That is for any two complex numbers Z1 and Z2. Prove that real part of Z1 Z2 is equal to real part of Z1 real part of Z2 minus imaginary part of Z1 imaginary part of Z2. For any two complex numbers Z1 and Z2, prove that real part of Z1 Z2 is equal to real part of Z1 real part of Z2 minus imaginary part of Z1 imaginary part of Z2. Solution. Let Z1 is equal to a plus ib and Z2 is equal to c plus id. Two complex numbers. Two complex numbers. Prove that LHS is equal to what? That is the real part of Z1 Z2 is equal to, find out. Here LHS real part of Z1 Z2 is equal to what? First product, this is Z1 into Z2, find out. Z1 into Z2 is what? A plus IB into C plus ID. Z1 into Z2, C plus ID. Multiply, that is this one can express or simplify, is equal to A times IB times multiply A times of C plus ID plus IB times of C plus ID. Simplify A into C, AC plus I times of AD plus I times of BC plus I square times of BD is there. Here this one, because I square value minus 1 is equal to AC plus I times of AD plus I times of BC minus BD. Real one side, imaginary one side. It is here is equal to real AC minus BD this is real, plus I times of imaginary, that is I taking common, AD plus BC, AD plus BC. This is the complete to find only real part of Z1 and Z2. Here real part, RE means real part of Z1, Z2, Z1 into Z2, separate, right, real part. This is real part, this is imaginary part. Real part is what? AC minus BD, AC minus BD. Here A is what? A is what? Real part, imaginary part. This is real part, this is imaginary part. A is what? Real part of Z1. Yes, A is what? Real part of Z1, real part of Z1. C is what? Real part of Z2. Here A is what? Real part of Z1. C is what? Real part of Z2. Minus B is what? Here B is imaginary part of Z1. D is what? Imaginary part of Z2. Imaginary part of Z1 into imaginary part of Z2. This is hence proof. Here take real parts of Z1 and Z2, LHS, two complex numbers, consider two complex, Z1 and Z2. Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID, be two complex numbers. And product, first to find a product of these two complex. Product simplify, product of these two complex, A times of C plus ID, IB times of C plus ID, AC, I times of ED, I times of ED, I into I square value minus 1, separate real, separate imaginary. Here in this expansion, to find only real part. Here this is the real part, this is the imaginary part, but question is what? Real part, prove that. Real part is this is. In this real part, A is what? C is what? B is what? D is what? A is real part of Z1, C is real part of Z2, B is imaginary part of Z1, D is imaginary part of Z2 is prove that. In your notes, my dear students, in your notes, just Z1 taking x1 plus y1, Z2 taking x2 plus iy2. That is, if you take any one, A plus ib or x1 plus iy1, x2 plus iy2. Anyway, you solve, answer should be same. Prove that is there. Take x or y or a or b, A plus ib or x plus iy. Suppose same example, prove that here real replace, suppose imaginary part is there. Suppose real replace imaginary part is there. Yes, to find this one imaginary part here, this is considered. Real part of Z1, imaginary part of Z2 plus imaginary part of Z1, here real part of Z2. Suppose prove that in another way. Next example number 11. Find modulus and argument. Argument means amplitude of 1 plus 7i divided by 2 minus I whole square. Here Find modulus and amplitude of this one. This is a complex number, incomplete complex number, make it complete. Here square is there, division is there, first converted in complex form. Let z is equal to 1 plus 7i divided by 2 minus I whole square. 2 minus I whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 2 minus I whole square can written in the form of what? 2 square plus I square minus 2ab. 2 into I. 2 square is 4, I square value minus 1 minus 4i. That is 3 plus 3 minus 4i. This can be written 1 plus 7i. This is a minus b whole square value 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. Division of complex, definitely rationalize this one. 3 plus 4i divided by 3 plus 4i. Rationalize. Rationalization. That is denominator a minus b. This is a plus b. That is a square minus b square. A square. 3 whole square is there. A square minus b square. Numerator product 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4i 7 into 3 21i plus 7 4s are 28 I into I square. I square value is what? I square value is what? Minus 1. That is 4i square. 3 square 9. Here I square value minus 1 minus plus 4 square is 16. 4i whole square can written, that is 4 square I square. I square value minus 1 minus 16 minus plus 3 plus 4 plus 21 25i and minus 28. I square value minus 1. This is minus, take here plus minus. Minus 25 plus 3 minus 25. Z is equal to minus 25 real part plus 25 imaginary part divided by 25. Z is equal to minus 25 by 25 plus 25 by 25. This is imaginary. Therefore, Z is equal to what? Minus 1 plus I. Be a complex. Yes, next to find modulus and amplitude of this one. This is the main important. Here, express that one, convert in this form. If any division is there, if any product is there, if any addition is there, if any subtraction, no. Complete for the complex. Then to find modulus and amplitude. First one, to find modulus of Z or real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part is what? Minus 1 whole square. Imaginary part is what? Plus 1 whole square. 1 square 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Root 2. Next, to find amplitude. Second amplitude, find out amplitude. Z is equal to minus 1 plus I. This is negative, this is positive, definitely belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant amplitude is what? Alpha pi minus alpha. Minus of pi minus alpha minus alpha. Yes. Here amplitude theta is equal to pi minus alpha. Pi as it is, alpha means tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Pi minus tan inverse y value is 1, x value is minus 1. In modulus inside, apply the modulus, always positive. 1 by 1 is 1. Tan inverse 1 which degree? Pi by 4, 45 degree. That is value is what? 3 pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 which degree? 45 degree. In terms of radians, pi by 4. Any doubt? Okay. Next, example number 12. Express a plus ib form minus root 3 plus root of minus 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. Here, that is solution. Let minus root 3 plus root of minus 2 root 3 minus I. Real, this is not a real, because root of minus 2 can return root of minus 1 into 2, negative take outside, root of minus 1, root of 2. Root of minus 1 value is what? Imaginary I root 2. Substitute. Minus root 3 plus I times of root 2 product 2 root 3 minus I. Product of 2 complex. Multiply minus root 3 times of 2 root 3 minus I plus I root 2 times 2 root 3 minus I. Simplify. Do you know that root A can return A, because square and root get cancel, value is what? Root A, root A, root 3, 3. Root 3, 3. Keep in your mind. Multiply by start minus as it is, 2 as it is, root 3 into root 3, value is what? 3. Minus plus I times of root 3 plus I as it is, 2 times of root 2 root 3 plus minus I into I square root 2 into 3 6 plus I root 3 plus I times of 2 root 2 root 3 I square value minus 1 minus plus. Real part separate, imaginary part separate. This is real. Minus 6 plus root 2, this is real. This is real. Imaginary part, that is I taking common, I taking common, imaginary part is what? Root 3 plus I taking common 2 root 3, because you write root 2 root 3 is what? Root 6, otherwise keep as it is. This is the separate realigned imaginary part. Express a plus ib form. Express a plus ib form. Next, example number 13. Express a plus ib form of if 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 whole divided by root 3 plus I root 2 minus root 3 minus I root 2. Let the complex number in the form of what? Numerator product, denominator difference. 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 whole divided by root 3 plus I root 2, take minus inside, minus root 3 minus plus I times of root 2. This is in the form of what? A plus b. This is in the form of what? A minus b. We know that a minus b, a plus b into a minus b value is what? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. This can be expressed in the form of what? A square minus b square. A square minus b square whole divided by 3 root 3 positive negative get cancel. One time total how many times? 2 times I root 2. One time total 2 times I root 2. 1 times I root 2, 1 times I root 2, total 2 times I root 2. That is 3 square is what? 9. I square value, because I square value is what? I square value is minus 1. This is minus what? Plus 5. Square and root get cancel. 5 divided by 2 times I root 2. 2 times I root 2. 9 plus 5 is what? 14 divided by 2 times I root 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. That is 7 by root 2. Here 1 by I. Because note class 3 note is there. 1 by I is what? 1 by I value is what? Minus I. Suppose 1 by minus I is plus I. 1 by plus I is what? Minus I. That is division of complex 7 by root 2 into minus I. That is minus 7I by root 2. Minus 7I by root 2. This is the complex. Here this is a plus ib, a minus ib, or a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square is there. Here b square is what? I square root 5 square. I square value is minus 1, minus minus plus, square and root get cancelled. 9 plus 5 is what? 14. Root 3, one positive, one negative get cancelled. 1 times I root 2, 1 times I root 2, total 2 times I root 2 is there. 2 ones are 2 sevens are, but division of complex, rationalize, not necessary. One formula is there, one condition, because 1 by I is what? Minus I. Note, class 3, 1 by I is what? Minus I, or class 2. Next, example number 14. Example number 14. Evaluate I power 18 plus 1 by I power 25 whole power 3. Let I power 18 plus 1 by I power 25. 1 power 25 is 1. Both meaning same. Whole power 3 is there. Here, this is biggest can be convert smallest. This is biggest can be convert smallest. Do you know that I power 18 can express any I power is there? Express 4. I power 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is what? 2. This is always 1. Remaining only I square. I square value is what? Minus 1. I power 18 is what? Minus 1. I power 25 is what? Is equal to 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 1. This value always is what? 1. Remaining is what? I. Substitute, that is I power 18 is what? Minus 1 plus 1 by I power 25 is what? I whole to the power 3 as it is. Because note, class 2, that is note is there. Keep in your mind, 1 by I is what? Minus I. 1 by minus I is what? Plus I. These two conditions is there. That is these two conditions. 1 by plus I is what? Minus I. Here minus 1 minus I whole to the power 3. Negative taking common, minus outside, that is 1 plus I whole cube. Here in this meaning is what? Suppose here, that is if minus taking common, 1 plus I whole to the power 3 is there. This is minus is also considered negative cube and 1 plus I whole cube. AB whole power m can written A power m, B power n. Negative to the power odd, negative present. Here minus present, 1 plus I whole to the power 3. This is the expansion. Next, we know that A plus B whole cube formula apply. Next, that is A plus B whole cube formula apply. That is A plus B whole cube formula apply. That is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. That is the formula is there. That formula apply. Here is equal to, that is minus as it is, A plus B whole cube formula, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B is equal to minus as it is, 1 cube is 1, I cube value. Here, do you know that I cube value is what? Because I cube value minus I I square value minus 1. These two values, iq value is what? Minus I plus 3i plus I into I, 3i square. I square value minus 1. That is minus as it is here, minus as it is. That is 1, that is these two, plus 3i minus 2 minus I, plus 3i minus I plus 2i plus 2i. I square value minus 1 plus minus minus 3 is equal to minus as it is here, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2i. Apply the negative sign inside, minus minus plus 2 minus 2i. Therefore that is I power 18 plus 1 by I to the power 25 whole cube value is this. Any doubt? That is here biggest is there, I power biggest can be convert smallest. I power 18 can return 4 4s are 16, round the number remaining extra to square, remainder is to I square. 16 plus 2 18, yes, I square value minus 1. And I power 25, 4 6 4 into 6 24, remainder is what? 1, I separate, yes. Here that is the, here around the number separate, remainder is separate. That is I power 18 is minus 1, I power 25 is I, 1 by I, note minus I, minus taking common, a plus b whole cube formula, a plus b whole cube formula. That is otherwise if minus keep as it is inside, a minus b whole cube formula, otherwise minus taking common, if simple, a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, otherwise a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is both meaning same. Substitute and you will get the answer. Next example number 15. Next example number 15. Find modulus and amplitude of 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3i. Let z is equal to 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3i. Division of complex, rationalizing this one, that is rationalize here 1 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 3i. Rationalize this one. Denominator a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Numerator product 1 into 1, 1 plus 3i plus 2i plus 2 into 3, 6i square is equal to 1 square is 1, I square value minus 1, minus minus plus 3 square is 9, 1 plus 3i plus 2i is 5i, I square value is minus 1, minus 6, minus 5 plus 5y divided by 10. Separate real and imaginary parts. Z is equal to minus 5 by 10 plus I times 5 by 10. Z is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I times 1 by 2. This is real part, this is imaginary part. This is x, this is y. To find modulus and amplitude of this one. First one, to find modulus, mod z is equal to real part square plus imaginary part square 1 by 2 whole square, negative 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square is what? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. LCM is what? 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 by root 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 1 by root 2 is modulus. To find amplitude, second one, amplitude of this one, here z is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I times of 1 by 2. That is here negative, positive belongs to second quadrant. Negative, positive belongs to second quadrant. X is negative, y is positive. Here theta is equal to pi minus alpha, second quadrant, that is pi as it is, minus tan inverse y by x and its modulus. Pi minus y is what? 1 by 2. X is what? Minus 1 by 2. Get cancel. Value is what? Minus 1. In apply the modulus, always positive. Tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 which degree? Pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. Amplitude. This is the value for that. Negative, positive, minus, plus. Here next example number 16 in the next class I will continue to the tomorrow.